The UK Garage and Bodyshop event takes place on the 5th and 6th of June at the NEC in Birmingham. But what can garages, bodyshop owners and technicians expect from the two-day event? I'm Phil Curry, and this is the Auto Repair Focus podcast.
The Auto Repair Focus Insight newsletter is your direct view to the news and features produced by Auto Repair Focus, delivered to your email inbox every week. Subscribe for free on autorepairfocus.com.
If you work in the UK's garage or body shop sector, then, perhaps as the name suggests, the UK Garage and Body Shop event is the one for you. Taking place at the NEC in Birmingham on the 5th and 6th of June, you'll get access to dozens of exhibitors, training features, new products, prizes and more in the NEC halls. Now, the UK Garage and Body Shop event is dedicated to run every other year, and it dovetails with Automechanica Birmingham, which makes sense because it's organised by Messe Frankfurt UK, who also organise Automechanica Birmingham. So not only are you attending an event with a pedigree dedicated to your sector, but you're also attending an event that is run by people who know the industry and knows what it takes to deliver a show and all the information that you would need. So taking a day out of your business is actually going to be a very good thing to do. There are so many reasons why you should be attending at the NEC on the 5th and 6th of June. Again, that date, in case I haven't said it enough already, is the 5th and 6th of June. Not only are there the networking opportunities, not only are there the opportunities for you to meet new suppliers, meet new companies within the aftermarket sector, meet new service providers, but there's some interactivity going on there as well, some new products, some competitions. And I've been getting press releases from the UK Garage and Body Shop event since it was announced last year. So I'm aware of everything that's going on. I just want to give you a quick rundown of some of the things that you can expect at the show. For example, ZF Aftermarket are featuring the new Nissan Leaf EV training vehicle on their stand, facilitating the delivery of IMI Level 2 and 3 qualifications for hybrid and electric vehicle repair, as well as ADAS system calibration and diagnosis. We all know that the EV skills and ADAS skills are going to be more important as the years progress, as more of these types of vehicle will be coming into the workshop. So instantly, you're getting a good grounding on these technologies at the UK Garage and Body Shop event. Hella is inviting attendees to see their cutting-edge solutions that are available, including the Mega Max X and the Max Remote, which will allow seamless connectivity and comprehensive functionality, empowering workshops to tackle complex diagnostics and programming tasks. LKQ Euro Car Parts are offering a fully interactive stand where garage professionals can immerse themselves into digital screens, outlining their OneTech Auto Hub concept, showcasing EV solutions as the home of EV, and providing award-winning training information. On the subject of training, Lucas Oil are providing product training around its oils, additives, and problem solvers on both days of the show. Oil, again, an area where there is so much to learn, even though it's basically a similar product, but the market keeps evolving. Those heading to TechMan's stand will receive hands-on demonstrations of its garage management system, highlighting features such as workshop management, vehicle reports, job bookings and invoicing, taking that garage management digital. Absolute Alignment is showcasing its latest Bluetooth light wheel aligner designed for workshops with limited space, while a Book by Garage team will be conducting a garage digital audit through their short questionnaire designed to diagnose garages' existing online presence and offer customized recommendations to help them grow digitally. So much going on there already, but if it's prizes and prize draws you're interested in, and let's face it, who wouldn't be, there's even more. Head over to stand D72, where you'll find Auto Repair Focus. And if you leave your business card to sign up to the Insight newsletter or scan the QR code on the digital screen, you'll be entered into a prize draw to win either a Ring or a Philips lighting bundle, depending on the day you attend. So definitely check out stand D72. We'll see you there. You can also head over to Bosch and sign up for their email newsletter for a chance to win a prize bundle. You can spin to win Castrol 125 stickers. That's because it's their 125th anniversary this year, where you can exchange them for a pair of Castrol 125 Mechanics gloves. Click Mechanic also have a spin to win competition, with attendees having the chance to win branded goodies such as pens, keyrings and t-shirts, along with entry into a grand prize draw for a £150 Amazon voucher. Entering a prize draw from Comma could win lucky visitors a Palmer Sports Day for 12 people, featuring an exhilarating track experience at the Bedford Autodrome Circuit, the perfect opportunity for team building. Man Hummel is inviting customers and attendees to dive into the £10,000 Lucky Dip prize pit to win mystery prizes ranging from kettles and Bluetooth speakers to beanies and mugs. While Natera UK is livening up proceedings by asking potential challengers to test their skills in a Stop the Clock challenge for a chance to win a seat on a ride-along rally drive on M Sports Passenger Ride Day. There's so many things that you could be taking part in at the UK Garage and Body Shop event that just that alone should be getting you to think about attending. And of course, if you want to attend, tickets are free. And you can sign up to it on the Auto Repair Focus website. Simply visit autorepairfocus.com, click the UK GBE tab in the menu bar, and you'll find details on where to get your tickets. But I want to find out a bit more about the UK Garage and Body Shop event this year. So I'm now joined by Joanne Knowles, the event director, to see what she thinks of the show, why she thinks garages should be attending, and ultimately what to expect from the UK Garage and Body Shop event 2024. Joanna, thank you so much for joining me today.
Oh, it's great to be here. Thanks for having me.
So just to start off with, just tell me a bit about the UK Garage and Body Shop event 2024.
It's just around the corner. Obviously, the UK Garage and Body Shop event is the largest gathering within the UK for garages and body shops specifically. It's built off the back of Automechanica rather than obviously running the full Automechanica cycle. It's sort of that garage and body shop element that's been picked up and pulled out of that. Obviously, it's a standalone event from Automechanica, but yeah, very much kind of like pushes onto all of the standards that we have from Automechanica as well.
So what can we expect at this year's show? Like you say, it's just around the corner.
Yeah, so we've got 80 sessions of technical skills workshop. We've got advice and demos delivered by industry experts and leading suppliers. There's a lot of access to information for garages and body shops and their teams. And there's, I think it's 19 product launches at the event, really hands-on kind of like experiences with the latest technologies and solutions as well.
So I imagine it gives those exhibitors a great showcase, really, to, as you said, product launches. It's always good to have a product launch in the industry, but to have it at a show where you can get so many people together, and I guess for garages and technicians, it's really important to be able to see everything under one roof.
The event is really like a one-stop shop for the industry to be able to do everything from looking at the new technologies to networking. Obviously, we've got the education through the content at the event as well. The place to be on the 5th and 6th of June.
So why should garage owners and technicians be attending? I think you sort of covered it there in that question, really. But I mean, is there any other reason? You know, it's the NEC is a great venue to start with. It's very central. I imagine it'd be easy for garage owners, technicians, body shop owners as well to be able to get there and and enjoy the event.
Yes, it's my first event that I'll actually be running at the NEC. All of mine have been in London before, so it's an experience for me as well. But I think, you know, Birmingham's quite centrally located to the whole of the UK, and I think that makes it really easy for garage and body shop owners to come through to the event. There's been so many people that have been advocating for the event as well. I know that within the industry, it's hard to take time out of your workshop or your garage, but it really is like the place to be over those 2 days to get that information and technology to be able to actually like move forward for the year ahead, rather than just surviving, you know, potentially thriving as well.
That's the thing, isn't it? Because there's always talk in the industry about taking time out to go to these things, to do these training courses, to see product launches, etc. But if it's planned well in advance, and with an event such as the UK Garage and Body Shop event, which is so big and with so many people under one roof, it really is worth just taking that day or two out to see what's there, because you'll get so much out of it, won't you?
Yeah, I mean, I'm obviously not a mechanic. I've never worked in the trade itself, but we've really tried to formulate everything at the event to be able to make it as beneficial and worthwhile as possible for you to actually take that step away. I know that it's taking money directly from the day that you will have been open had you been at the garage or workshop, but essentially, what can that bring you? What return on your time investment is that going to bring you over the next 12 months as well?
So why was the UK Garage and Body Shop event launched?
So Automechanica Birmingham runs at every alternate year from Automechanica Frankfurt to be able to give the industry and obviously Europe exactly what they need within the UK. The UK Garage and Body Shop was off a demand from the garage and body shop industries who needed that continuing professional development and also the networking elements as well. So that's why that part of Automechanica has been lifted out to create this standalone event. I think sometimes there is a little bit of confusion to think that maybe the UK Garage and Body Shop is a smaller Automechanica. And, we've been working hard to really make sure that the industry understands the position of Automechanica within the market and what it is able to provide, and equally the position of the UK Garage and Body Shop, and that they are actually separate events.
Does having the backing of Automechanica Birmingham make a difference to the UK Garage and Body Shop event? You said it's not just a smaller version of that, but a standalone in its own right. But obviously, the bigger brand behind it must give it a bit of a boost from the organisers of.
Yeah, 100%. To have an event that's backed by Automechanica is obviously going to give it strength, and I guess a little bit of reassurance for exhibitors and attendees alike that there is a certain standard of event that will be produced. Obviously, in the same token, it is a balancing act between making sure that the event can continue to be defined as its own event.
As well as obviously the training courses, the exhibitors, the access to products, you're also offering a free breakfast and free parking, which I know are going to be very important as well, especially the parking side of things. But, we can never skip breakfast, can we? So, again, you're really working to try and help technicians take time out.
Yeah, so I actually was reading some of the visitor survey responses from the 2023 event yesterday. Obviously, that is an Automechanica event, but it kind of shows us how we can continue to develop the shows regardless. And there was a lot of comments about free parking and a lot of comments about breakfast. So I think from that, I've been able to ascertain just how important it is to the industry. But yeah, so free parking and free breakfast, but you've got to be there before 10:30.
I'll definitely be there before 10:30. I'm on a free breakfast. That's fine. So how important are trade shows to the aftermarket in that case?
Yeah, I mean, I think we've kind of touched on it quite a bit in this chat, but essentially it is the way that you will be able to meet new suppliers and talk about what it is that they can kind of offer you, and equally, looking at the new technology, hands-on, learning about different aspects as well. There's just no time in any exhibition for any industry. There is no time that you're ever going to get where you can get so much out of a 2-day or 3-day kind of presence at an event. It's just, it will be sensory overload and there will be a lot of information to go back and process, but it's the most efficient use of time.
And just finally, what are you looking forward most to being at the NEC on the 5th and 6th of June?
I'm looking forward to getting to know the industry better. Obviously, I've spoken to quite a lot of people over email mostly, or sometimes seen them at award ceremonies. And it's just not as easy to speak to people or, to get to know them properly. So I'll be looking forward to really kind of getting into it a little bit more when I'm at the show. I do imagine that I will be very tired afterwards and probably exhausted all of my words for the week. But no, I'm really looking forward to meeting everyone.
Excellent. I think we're all looking forward to it. It's going to be a great event. Joanne, thanks so much for joining me.
No, thank you for having me.
So there are many reasons there for you to be attending the UK Garage and Body Shop event on the 5th and 6th of June at the NEC in Birmingham. It really is a great opportunity, and it may be a day out from the garage, but you'll get so much from the show, and you could walk away with a bundle of prizes, including those on the Auto Repair Focus stand D72. Don't forget to join us. And thank you very much for listening to the Auto Repair Focus podcast. If you don't already, then find us and subscribe to us on leading podcast platforms, including Apple Podcasts, YouTube Music, Spotify, and Amazon Music. And check out autorepairfocus.com, where you can find the latest aftermarket news, products, and features. You can also find more on our YouTube channel. Just search for Auto Repair Focus. And you can sign up via the website to the Insight newsletter, making sure that you never miss an aftermarket news story by getting the weekly email delivered free to your inbox. Thanks again for listening, and we'll see you at the show.